How's it growing? Well, we've been following along and you've been checking them trichomes with me, then you know that it's time to harvest. So let's go over here and chop these ladies down.
I'm going to chop into this. Oh, she's a little tough one. We'll get it. Just like that.
Doomsicle. There we go. We're in the dry closet.
Got the AC Infinity dehumidifier.
This is the 3 melt monsters, and this is the 1 doomsicle. So give these things about 10 days, and they should be good to go to start bending them. Let's grow.